Welcome to the channel. In the next few minutes, you'll understand how the most common HVAC systems work: split ACs, window ACs, VRF systems, and chillers, plus the basics of installation, tools, and maintenance. Let's get started. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Heating keeps spaces warm, ventilation brings in fresh air and removes stale or humid air, and air conditioning cools and dehumidifies the environment. Every building depends on HVAC for comfort, safety, and efficiency. All cooling systems operate using the refrigeration cycle. It has 4 key components: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. The compressor turns refrigerant into a hot, high-pressure gas. The condenser releases that heat outdoors, turning the gas into liquid. The expansion valve drops the pressure and makes the refrigerant cold. The evaporator absorbs heat from the room and cools the air. This cycle repeats non-stop until the temperature reaches the set point. Now, let's look at systems. Split ACs are the most common for homes and offices. The indoor unit cools the room, while the outdoor unit releases heat outside. Proper installation is everything: correct indoor height, good outdoor ventilation, properly flared copper pipes, secure wiring, and a full vacuum to remove moisture. A correct install gives better cooling, lower energy bills, and longer AC life. Window ACs have all components in one box. They're cheaper and simple to install, ideal for small rooms. They are louder and less efficient than split ACs, but regular cleaning of filters and coils, correct tilting for drainage, and checking for loose screws keeps them running smoothly. VRF or VRV systems are used in commercial buildings. They connect many indoor units to one outdoor unit and control refrigerant flow automatically. This gives excellent energy savings, silent operation, and zone-wise temperature control. They cost more but are perfect for malls, hotels, and offices. For large buildings and industries, chillers are used. Instead of cooling air directly, chillers cool water, which circulates through air handling units. Air-cooled chillers use outdoor air to reject heat, while water-cooled chillers use cooling towers and are more efficient. Chillers deliver massive cooling capacity, making them essential for airports, hospitals, and industrial plants. Tools are a major part of HVAC work. Technicians use clamp meters for electrical testing, manifold gauges for refrigerant pressure, vacuum pumps to remove moisture, leak detectors to find gas leaks, and flaring or brazing tools to connect copper pipes. Safety gear like gloves, shoes, masks, and voltage testers protects technicians during installation and service. Maintenance keeps any system efficient. Clean filters every few weeks. Clean coils to improve cooling. Keep the outdoor unit free of dust. Check gas pressure if cooling drops. Make sure the drain line is clear to avoid leakage. Schedule professional servicing every 6 to 12 months. A well-maintained system cools better, consumes less electricity, and lasts longer. HVAC is also a strong career path. Skilled technicians, installers, operators, and engineers are needed worldwide, offering excellent income and growth opportunities. Thank you for watching this short HVAC guide. If you found it useful, like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more technical, practical HVAC content. Stay cool and keep learning.